Well, howdy ho, good neighbor. I got ye old mask, and it's late night snack time. Come along with me, shall you? Oh, you're getting heavy. Let me clip you in and put on a mask, and we'll go inside and do this. All right, undercover we go. Undercover. Okay, we need 1 gallon of water and some candy. So let's go and find some water and candy. We'll start at the beginning. And I know I'm going the wrong way. So let's look at what we got here. Candy. Oh yeah, this is the aisle. Now with this candy, I'm looking for, what was it called? Kit Kat. Dark chocolate Kit Kat, but I don't see that. I see this one. All right, that's 1 Kit Kat. Now I'm looking for water. I'm just making sure they don't have dark chocolate Kit Kat. All right, here we go, water time. Water, I see it. Now that's kind of like water. But this is the water that I want. For an unnamed person, he wants 1 gallon of water. And I don't see, here we go, here we go. What is the best kind of water? I guess Crystal Geyser. I don't know if that's the best, but that's what he's gonna get. 1 water and 1 Kit Kat. Now, to take care of me. Donuts. Donuts is my late night donuts. Donuts and coffee. And I know this is the wrong way. Always use your force, Luke. The grocery store force. Hot cereal, cereal. I don't think so. Breakfast, dessert, snacks, that could be it. No, no snacks there. All right, this could be a fail. Candy, ice cream. Cookies. You see it, you see it. Family size, all right. Come on, family. You can help me out, can't you? Buy one, get one free. Hold on now. All right, let's keep going. Let's not get hung up. Didn't I start here at the Kit Kat aisle? Kit Kat minis. All right, now we're looking for donuts.
The next level is this power club.
Thank you.
Sorry, they don't have to be back on post. He's asking that now because we only have like an hour.
This is what I was looking for. Score. You see it. You see it. Donuts. Donuts, they're on sale. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. Buttermilk glazed donuts. The rich chocolate ones aren't on sale. What? But the variety is on sale. Well, I guess I'll go for a variety. All right. And just for Pete's sake. All right, I gotta get out of here. Look at that. I'll show you later what I got, but it's not good. Next stop, Starbucks. After a long line. I will spare you the long line and get back to you at Starbucks. Here's the masked lady. Oh, you're okay.
You know, you get this strange feeling like something's wrong, and
Oh,
gotten to be second nature.
I thought you were going to be a rebel without your mask.
The rebel without a cause.
Yeah, listen, it's ridiculous. You're okay though. You hide behind me. I'll cover you.
We're going in.
Yeah. If anybody messes with you, I'll get them.
All right.
Would you like to go ahead of me?
You know, it's just this butter.
You go right ahead.
Oh, you're so nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. So you're not a rebel. You just forgot, right?
I forgot. I got a whole cart full.
Well, there you go. I thought she was a rebel, but not. Now mine's falling off. Well, it is apparent that I let her go ahead because she was so embarrassed about not having a mask.
A lot of vodka.
That's the way this world is working nowadays. People are ashamed to be without a mask on. But I thought it was just neat that somebody in here would be without a mask. Now let's see how this goes with the checkout without a mask. Oh, you're welcome. Have a good day. Please. Thank you.
Yep.
Paper or plastic bag?
It doesn't matter. Whatever you like.
Hey, you had a deep fried Twinkie?
1666.
Thank you.
Look, I saw fat for that. Yes, I know. But they're actually really good.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome. Have a great day. You guys like back today?
Deep fried pinky. Now you got me going.
Deep fried Oreos are good too.
Oh, you're gonna take me to the fair. Miss the fair. Thank you. Is Starbucks closed?
Yes. Sorry about that.
Don't be sorry. Thank you guys. Fail on the Starbucks, but I got enough sugar to keep me going. So, all right. Late night sugar run. There you go. All right, let's put the mask off and do this. As always, I'd like to thank you for coming along with me on these late night sugary adventures. You know the drill. Peace, love, and all that sugary jazz. Oh yeah. Let's get those donuts.